Hello all, welcome back to IAS Nuts classes. Do you know where lightning occurs the most in the world? It's a place in South America. Let's see. You all know about Atlantic Ocean, right? So here is Atlantic Ocean, and to the west of Atlantic Ocean you'll be able to see the continent of South America. And in the continent of South America, towards the north of the continent, you'll be able to see the country Venezuela. And in Venezuela, there is a lake in the westernmost part named Lake Maracaibo, right? Lake Maracaibo. And to Lake Maracaibo, there is a river flowing into it named Catatumbo River. Here is Catatumbo River. And the place where Catatumbo is joining Maracaibo, you'll be able to see in an area of 1 kilometer, 1 square kilometer, a storm cloud. This storm cloud is creating lightning, and this location has got the world record for the most number of lightning and thunder events. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.